Hello, my name is Don Joyce, and I'm with Pixis Technologies. You may know Pixis Technologies as the developers of Green Hopper and Green Pepper. We've just developed a new add-on for JIRA that we call Talia for JIRA. This is the agenda that we're going to be covering today, but we're going to jump right into the demonstration of Talia for JIRA. Once you've seen how the product operates, you'll understand the benefits, and then we'll briefly cover the technical considerations and the contact information. Now we'll take a few minutes and show you our demonstration of Talia for JIRA. The demonstration is broken into three portions. First, we'll show you the assigned issues within JIRA. Then we'll use Talia to update our assigned activities. And then finally, we'll go back into JIRA and show you that the time entered, the updated activities, and the time remaining against the issues of the bugs have been captured within the JIRA system. So now we'll begin our demonstration of Talia for JIRA. We start at the JIRA main panel where we log on. Our logon name is Talia. We'll be updating two records. One, which is a character set bug, and the second, which is a network bug. Here's the first. And here's the second, the network bug. We're just going to log out of JIRA. It's important to note that you do not need to be logged into JIRA to capture time with Talia. Here, our programmer enters H. H is for hello, and it initiates a conversation with Talia. Now, Talia knows that we've been working on this character set problem for the last 2 days and prompts us. Now, Talia lets you specify the time worked as well as the time remaining on an issue. Talia also captures the descriptions that you'd like to enter for this piece of work. As you become more familiar with Talia, you can string entries together like yes, network, 4. So you've spent 4 hours on this network bug. Talia prompts you for the time remaining. And then prompts you for a description. You could just as easily have said, yes, access problem for the description. So we're going to end our dialogue with Talia now and jump back to the JIRA application to validate that our time and descriptions have been captured. So we go back to our open issues, where we see that they've been updated. The first one is our hours worked against the character set bug. We validate our 3.5 hours and our comments. And then we're going to go out and validate our network bug and the comment that was entered. So, it's just that simple. Let's just take a few seconds and go through some of the benefits that we've seen for our users using Talia and also for our management processes. Talia reaches out to you as an assistant would requesting a quick update. Talia is there to support you and make your job easier. So from a benefits perspective, this is crucial to us because it sets the tone for the style and management that we want to implement within our projects. Talia is also proactive. No action is required on your part to initiate the daily updates. You will be reminded gently by Talia. If it's an inconvenient time, you could ignore Talia and Talia will come back later. Because of this, we found that we've been able to significantly reduce members of our staff that we call update challenged. Um, Not only is the update gathered proactively, it's also done in a pleasant and convenient way. Because Talia is updating the status of issues daily, the accuracy of the data captured can be considerably higher than when it's entered several days after the task was completed. Likewise, because the updates are gathered daily, it's timely. Project managers and coordinators can have more confidence that the status that they're looking at is fresh. And lastly, and probably most important, is the satisfaction of our staff. They love using Talia, they rely on Talia, and Talia has become their productivity tool, which was our goal in the first place. Talia reaches out through instant messaging to ask the users what they've been spending their time on and updates JIRA for them. It's very convenient. Instead of asking our technical people to stop what they're doing and go into JIRA, Talia reaches out and comes to them. If this is a convenient time, they can answer Talia. If not, no worries. Talia will not be insulted. She will come back and ask again later. The user can also contact Talia through chat at any time through the day as well. This is very convenient. Um, if a programmer has just closed an issue and they would like to update it, they can very easily start a chat with Talia and update that issue immediately. But more important than that, and more important than any other feature, was the fact that our programmers were in control. Talia was supporting them and making their lives easier, helping them to be more productive. An added benefit was that we were using interfaces that everyone uses in day-to-day life. Everyone is familiar with instant messaging, and everyone is familiar with text messaging on Blackberries or smartphones. So Talia was the ideal solution. I'm sure some of you are interested in the technical considerations of using Talia with JIRA. Talia sits between JIRA and the instant messaging system. Talia has an API interface to the JIRA backend. Talia will work with any of the major instant messengers. In fact, any instant messenger that supports the XMPP standard will be supported. This includes any open source messengers that support XMPP as well. This is important as you may wish to place an open source instant messenger within your firewall. All Blackberries and smartphones are supported as well. They are by definition ready to use Talia. We realize that some customers are not fans of instant messaging and that they have not officially sanctioned instant messengers within their organizations. If this is your case, we can set up an instant messenger so that the only chat that occurs is between the instant messenger we have installed and Talia as a data capture mechanism. Should you wish, we can even install Talia and the instant messenger within your firewall for added security. If you have additional questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. It would be our pleasure to answer any questions that you may have.